Welcome to the project demonstration of prepaid energy meter. In this project we are using to the power cable, rectifier, and also through rectifier we are connecting a 230 volts power supply parallel to the energy meter, and also through energy meter the energy meter is given to this bulb, and energy meter and the bulb between relay is connected. And also you can see LCD display, track PCB, GSM module. GSM means Global System for Mobiles, and Arduino Uno octocoupler. So we are giving the power supply through this power cable. So when we give the power supply through this one, if you take 230 volts of power supply, it is given to the rectifier. So rectifier converts AC to DC. It will give up to 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be connected to this track PCB. So track PCB converts divide equally 5 volts power supply to this LCD display, GSM module, and Arduino Uno board like this, and also it will give 5 volts to the relay. So the main aim of this project is to charge the energy meter. If the charge if the balance is low or units become low, then it will give a reverse message to our registered phone number. So the phone number is programmed in this Arduino Uno board. So here we can see octocoupler. So through energy meter it will give the signals to this octocoupler for the one unit, 1 kilowatt of unit. So it will give a 3300 blinks. Based on that blinks, light blinks, it will calculate the unit power. Now I am giving the power supply. So here we can see it is showing prepaid energy meter. So here we can see if it is blink speed, red light indication, which means it is not connected to the network. When it is blink slowly, which means it is connected to the network. So after connecting the network only, this bulb will be get switched on. So here we can see balance and the units of this one. For 50 rupees of balance, it will give 10 units. For the 100 rupees of balance, so it will be added by another 10, so it will be a 20 units. So balance, here we can see the balance. If the units become less, then balance become less. So we can see if it is low balance, then it will give a message to our registered phone number. So here we can see energy meter balance alert, low balance, and here we can see energy meter balance alert, light cut due to low balance. So we need to charge balance this one using hash. I am charging the 50 rupees and 50 star, then send. So here you can see message received, and the recharge you can see here. So now for the 50 rupees it will show you 10 units. Up to 10 units it will be give the bulb in on position. So if the units become less, then balance become less, then again it will send a energy meter balance alert. Even that time we need to recharge the bulb. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.